Hey guys, so hopefully you are completing this on Tuesday, September the 1st, and it's a pretty simple activity. It's another gizmo, but I wanted to just walk you through because you haven't completed a gizmo on a document like this before, and I wanted to make sure everyone is just good to go. So this is what you're doing. This is Explore 1.1. And up to this point, you've done engage activities, which you did yesterday, where they're just designed to see how much you know already and to kind of get you hooked and invested and interested in the content. Explore activities are designed to give you an experience in which you discover the content, like a scientist uncovering some new information. I think it's more effective to teach like that than it is for me just to say, hey, here's a list of things for you to memorize for the quiz. I think you would internalize it better if you get to explore it on your own. And I think it's a more worthwhile experience. So this explore activity is using the same gizmo that you used the other day, just in different and in slightly more complex ways. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the gizmo website. You're going to log in, okay? Using the username and password that you set up before. If something goes wrong and you're kicked out of your account or whatever, if you don't remember your username and password, if you didn't put it in your notebook, just email me and I can pull that up, assuming you joined. But if for some reason you got kicked out of Gizmo altogether, I've got the codes right here for you to rejoin. So what you're going to do is you're going to open this. You're going to go to, it's going to look different on your end than me because I am a teacher and I have teacher access to this. So you're going to go to, if you're in first or second period, they'll look exactly the same. Okay. You're going to Element Builder, launch it. Boom, here it is. You should be used to seeing this because you've done it once already, hopefully. And instead of using Cami today, I have this for you. I think you'll like it better. So you're going to make a copy of this. I'll try to set it to where it automatically makes you a copy. But if it doesn't, if it opens up and it says you can only view, you're going to want to make your own copy. Go to File and make a copy wherever it is. Yeah, there. And you want to put your name somewhere up in here. And you can type it here. But it's really easy for me to sort through whose is whose if you put your name up there. And what this is it's a Google Doc that already has text boxes completely built in for you. Super fancy, I know, right? So you're gonna put your name and the date, and then you're gonna use the gizmo to answer these questions. These are prior knowledge questions. You're gonna do those actually before you start. This is a gizmo warm-up, so this just kind of asks you basic questions to make sure that you're using the gizmo correctly and that you can use the arrows and whatnot, like to add protons, neutrons, and electrons. And then the rest of the questions, there's two activities, I believe, activity A and B, and then there's a little extension here that's a little bit advanced. I'm actually going to take this doodad off of here for now. Are you guys? I hope you guys are okay with that. Hey, there we go. Hard question gone. You guys are going to do activity A in this little extension activity. This extension activity is neat because you get to form your own hypothesis and kind of discover on your own how the periodic table is arranged. We'll discover that in detail in a unit later on, but this is kind of an extension so you can dive a little bit deeper. But A is just going to have you create some atoms and ask you questions about them and play around with stable and radioactive isotopes. And then B is doing some things along the same line. And so you're just going to answer those questions here. Okay. Sorry if I'm like lagging in my speech. It's because I'm going through and reading and making sure everything is what I want it to be. So very straightforward. You're just going to answer these questions. If you are stuck on anything at all, email me or call me. And this is an explore activity, so I have no qualms with helping you figure out the right answer. Okay. So if you have any trouble at all, please email me and I will respond as fast as I can. Okay, so pretty straightforward. You're going to get into Gizmo. You're going to open up the element builder, and you're going to open this up. and fill it out, and then you are going to turn it in with me. Some of you are sharing with me. I would prefer that not be your go-to. I would prefer you turn it in with the assignment underneath where it says your work. You can add an attachment from your drive, and you can add this. And if your name is typed up here, you can find it super easily and submit it to me finished. If for whatever reason you can't get that to work, you can share it with me. But when you share it with me, it just goes to my email. And it's sometimes I have to like fish through hundreds of emails to find your assignment. So I get it a lot easier if you just turn it in through Google Classroom, okay? All right, guys, good luck. If you have any issues, let me know, and I will see you guys next video.